Okay, good morning everybody. So it's just before 8 o'clock. Puzzle piece, and we have a puzzle piece made already. Let me see it. Show this way. Aha. So from the mat, she likes to take those apart and put puzzles in. What do we got there? We got there a baby. Andreas, hi buddy. So yeah, everyone survived the night. Andreas, I think, woke up maybe twice. I had to give him a little bit of a feed, and then the second time he put himself back to sleep, so that was good. And Adriana was fine, of course. So now, time to go to school, right? So I'm just gonna feed the baby, and we're gonna be off to drop off Adriana. What did you do?
I take my feet out.
Why?
It's too hot.
Oh, your feet are too hot. Okay. Okay, we're in the car. It's 8:14. Not bad. Man. Adriana, what are you doing?
It's cooking.
You're eating chicken. And what do we got here? And this chilling. Hi buddy. Ready to go? Let's go take your sister to school. Get her to school so she can have some breakfast. Right, Adriana?
Yes.
Okay, let's go. We're back. Right? Yeah, so we dropped off Adriana. We made a quick stop at What a Bagel to grab some bagels. My parents said they're coming by. They want to spend time with you. Yeah? They want to spend time with you. My boy. Yeah, but you're going to have your nap now. So in half an hour he's going to have his nap. I'm going to give him a little bit of milk. Yeah, we'll play a little bit and then nap time. I got to feed the cats too. Alright, time to start the tasks of the day. Alright, so the cavalry has arrived. My mom and daddy wanted to come over and spend some time with the kids and help me out. Not that I need the help, but it's always welcome, that's for sure. There's dad.
I don't know about
mom.
that.
What do you mean you don't know about that? Some of you may know that we were working on this bench. So the bench basically is done. I think I showed it before. Or if you haven't seen it before, there it is. That's drawers in the bottom there. The bench seat, and then tufted back. And so this, Leyla and I did this like on a late night, one night before she left. But I'm gonna surprise her when she gets back that it's all done. So you can see that these buttons actually are pretty much deeper than this one, even the tufting. You'd notice the difference of it here. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna redo these groups of buttons here, because it is the center of the seat, so it's more pronounced. Just wanna make it look nice, although it looks really good now. I'm really happy with how it turned out. I just want to do these, and then I think it'll be perfect, and we'll have a nice little bench set up, a nice little breakfast area for us to sit. It'll be great, right? Adriana just got back from outside, and Andreas is sleeping, so it's perfect time to do a little bit of housework. So that's it. Hi, buddy. Right? After your nap, you feel so good, right? So rested.
Look at that.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Yeah. My handsome boy. My handsome boy. Yeah, you want to come, Daddy?
Yeah.
You want to come to Daddy, right?
Arnaki. Arnaki bekarnaki mu. Arnaki mu. Arnaki mu.
Yeah, I came and got you. So excited, right?
Yeah. We're so excited.
You ready for lunch, buddy?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, let's have something, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Look, we finished. We retufted it. Oh, yeah. Oh, perfect. This is great. Are you juicing?
Yeah.
How's that orange going? Look. He grabs it in his fist and he just like just crushes it. You know? I am the strongest boy in the world.
Yeah.
Okay,
let's race one more time.
Wait. No.
Okay, wait now.
Who's gonna count? You
Wait.
me or you? You count. And 1, 2,
3. What? What are they doing? What are you doing? You love the kitchen, right? We're a little louder than when Leyla's around, but it's okay.
It's okay.
One more game?
One more game.
One more game. Okay, who's gonna win the race?
You gonna count?
Okay, you're gonna count. Ready? Buddy, you're so cute.
Mano
Oh
Adriana.
my goodness, you're so cute. Maybe you should hug Papu now.
Papu.
Can you give Papu a hug? Oh yeah! Oh yeah! My angel. Okay, okay, easy. Easy peasy.